Thank you for taking a closer look at the Friedrich dehumidifier. Convenient and easy to use, Friedrich's dehumidifiers feature precise humidity control and continuous drainage operation. Our models can treat areas up to 2,500 square feet, extract 25, 50, or 75 pints of moisture every 24 hours, and can be set to humidity levels ranging from 30 to 90%. The sleek, modern design will not detract from your decor. With a built-in drain pump, you no longer have to continuously check the bucket to see if it's full. The pump will remove water up to 15 feet in any direction, allowing it to drain to a sink or out a window. These efficient Energy Star qualified models also provide a removable condensate bucket with a carry handle that holds up to 16 pints of water. With a washable slide-out filter, low ambient operation, automatic defrost cycle, and a 24-hour timer, these powerful dehumidifiers are ideal for living areas, storage areas, basements, and equipment rooms, anywhere moisture is a concern, because they provide reliable, convenient operation. Another great feature is the easy roll casters that allow you to move the unit from room to room with ease. When not in use, the unit can easily be stored in most closets. Investing in a Friedrich dehumidifier can help you protect your home and your health. A broad service network, a team of technical experts, and US-based customer support ensure you get the prompt service you deserve. If you demand the best, it has to be a Friedrich, the experts in room air conditioning.
There's kind of a desert down in this area, and it's really hot and dry. Down here, there are a bunch of marshes and swamps, and so it's really humid. And sometimes it feels like we're living in both of those places at the same time. Like Arizona and Florida teamed up, and we're like, hey, you know, it'd be funny to these kids, wet and dry and hot weather the entire time.
The house was just so humid in the summer.
There's always that smell to it, and you know, it's like you have the friends over, it's like, oh, don't go in the basement.
Yeah, in our old house in the basement, we constantly had a dehumidifier running.
There's nothing worse than trying to sleep in a really humid house, which is why I love adjusting the temperatures to fit my comfort.
What a difference it is. It's not as musty, the basement, you can actually have activities down there with the kids.
So it's nice, they can play in the basement and I'm not embarrassed. It's good.
Introducing the Ivation dehumidifier. It's Energy Star certified and built with an eco-friendly design. And the embedded handles make moving this dehumidifier a breeze, even when it's full. Simply plug it in and power on. Our intuitive smart display features an easy-to-read LCD. Various options include fan speed, clock timer, humidity levels in Celsius or Fahrenheit, and displays air moisture levels as well as your room temperature. A water window shows your level, and an auto shutoff kicks in when it's full. The bucket includes an easy carry handle, and the filter is removable so you can wash it. Simply slide back in the filter. Replace the bucket, and let the auto restart do the rest. We even included an optional hose hookup. Just run the hose through the drain lock and screw it onto the drain firmly. Breathe better air with the Ivation Auto Defrost and Auto Restart Dehumidifier. Get yours today.
The control panel is right here on the front. Just press the button and set your desired humidity level. We set it at 50% humidity level when production is finished. You can set it to between 35% and 90% relative humidity by adjusting the up and down buttons if your space starts to feel too dry or not dry enough. Let's see how it works. The air enters through the side and is filtered. It passes through the machine and the dehumidified air passes out through this duct. The humidity sensor is located here at the front of the machine under the removable filter in a bypass air design. This helps make the short cycling go away, and it's close to the pump and the main circuit board. The filter can be easily pulled out for regular washing and cleaning. Then it's very easy to just push it back into the machine. To drain the collected moisture, simply attach the
Air contains water vapor. Too much or too little humidity can be harmful to the human body and indoor home environment. The ideal indoor humidity is between 40% and 60%. The most common dehumidifier works by compressor and refrigerant. However, it's bulky, noisy, and inefficient in low temperature. Now we offer a new series of model using innovative desiccant rotor technology as a better solution. It's light, quiet, and remains high performance in a wider temperature range with no refrigerant required. Refrigerant has considerable GWP, and as one of the major greenhouse gases, it traps more heat in the atmosphere than carbon dioxide does. As a result, there are more and more restrictions imposed on it. Desiccant dehumidifiers use no refrigerant, so they are a more environmentally friendly product for the Earth. Desiccant dehumidifiers run quietly by motor, while a compressor generates louder noise. Desiccant type is slim and light. It usually weighs only 5 to 8 kilograms and can be carried by seniors and female users easily. Compressor type is bulky and heavy and generally weighs over 12 kilograms. Desiccant type remains high performance even in low temperatures from 1 to 15 degrees. The performance of compressor dehumidifiers will drop along with temperature. Under 15 degrees, it would need to defrost and stop dehumidifying. The special coating on the desiccant rotor not only absorbs humidity, but also eliminates odor and bacteria. Desiccant dehumidifiers can also be used as a clothes dryer because it includes a heater as part of the dehumidification process and delivers warm, dry air. The way the desiccant dehumidifier works is by absorbing moisture with a ceramic composite rotor. The rotor is soaked with zeolite absorbent, which is very good at absorbing moisture and other molecules due to its three-dimensional porous structure. Moisture captured in the pores will evaporate by heat and transform into water again when it goes through the condenser. By repeating the cycle, the air eventually becomes drier. It's a pure physical process and causes no chemical or harmful exhaust at all. The Desiccant Dehumidifier, your new solution to remove excess moisture. Consistent performance, greener product, quiet operation, compact size, anti-odor and bacteria, ultimate dry and warm air. Provided by the superior Desiccant Dehumidifier.